good? What it do, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's just me, Kayla B. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Welcome to all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your kind words, your support. You're just amazing. Y'all are really helping me get through this, and I really appreciate it. But today, y'all, I'm about to be trying to put my bed together. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and assembly. This is an unboxing and an assembly video. Strong woman putting her bed together by herself, independently. Of course, it would be nice to have a man to do it for me, which is why I didn't pay for the assembly when I ordered the thing. I ordered it off Amazon. Link will be down below in the description box. But anyway, yeah, so when I ordered it, I didn't pay for the assembly because I had hands here. Can't say a man. Had hands here to help me put it together. But now it's just me, so I'm about to do what I do. I could hire somebody to come and help me do it, but to save some money, it says easy assembly. And another thing, the main reason is because I'm just not feeling comfortable right now having nobody come to my house, knowing that I'm, you know, like, I just don't feel comfortable right now having nobody come to my house and know where I live, know that I'm a single mom and all this stuff, even though there's like, you know, I just might be weird. I just might be feeling kind of weird right now, but I just don't want to. I just don't feel like doing that right now. Anyway, I'm kind of starting to ramble right now, so I'm finna get straight into getting this bed together. This is part A. It's upside down, but that's part A, and that's part B. That feels like the headboard because it's so heavy. Y'all wish me luck. Let's get this thing together. Now, push come to shove, if I can't get it, I'm just going to have to hire somebody. You know what I'm saying? But I think I can do it. Get ready for overflow.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I'm about this close to calling some help. It's just something about those instructions that's just like making it just, I'm not processing the instructions. I really think I can do it, but these instructions, I mean, just, I guess this is just not the way that I learn. Like, I got everything set up and I got everything, you know, alphabets together, all that, like parts A, yeah, A, B, and C, D, E, F, G, all that stuff like that. But when it comes to putting it together, it just makes me so anxious. But I'm still gonna try to do it. I'm still trying to do it. This just really looks like a lot. Me sitting here trying to read this and understand this is like, what? Let's do it, y'all.
Bye bye, bye bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.
To hell with the damn drill, y'all. I can't figure that out. So I'm gonna try to do this. Meanwhile, I'm trying to find somebody to come help me. Handyman.com. Oops. But yeah, trying to find somebody to come and help me. And until then, I'm gonna be using this little thing right here. I think it might work. And they gave me this, so I was hoping the drill would make things better. But yeah, I can do what I gotta do and do this right here. So
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You loving something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better.
So now I'm just gonna tighten everything up, and the next part is the drawers.
Yeah.
But I need to charge my battery. My second battery, I have no clue where it went. So I've been working with one battery all day, and the sun is going down. Sorry, y'all. The sun going down, my lighting is kind of getting, you know, dimmer and dimmer. This is what it looked like so far.
This is my
So whenever we come back, I'm probably going to have the drawers put together and all that, because I really don't feel like taking a break. So yeah, but so far so good, y'all.
You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good loving, something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind, loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me
This is
better.
how we go.
On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.